Hey guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video I will show you how to enable or disable STP in your NETGEAR switch. So first, what is an STP? So STP is a spanning tree protocol. What it basically is that it is used in computer networks to prevent loops. So a loop can happen when there are multiple paths between switches, causing data packets to circulate endlessly, and can overwhelm the network. So to enable or disable it, you want to go to switching, and then STP, and then here you'll see spanning tree state. So you can either disable it or enable it, but I'm gonna enable it for now, and basically that is it. That is it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.